walang puwang dapat sa ating lipunan yung mga mapanakit sa mga may disability. And the problem is, meron kasing sabi nung buti na lang yung mga may autism hindi sila masyadong nakakaramdam daw o nakakaintindi. Sabi ko, that's where you're wrong. Hindi sila masyadong nakakapag-respond dahil nga very minimal pa yung nasasabi nila, pero naiintindihan nila at nararamdaman nila yan. In fact, it goes beyond them, no? Pumupunta din yan sa magulang. I've been an administrator for so many years. Alam mo yun yung, siyempre nandiyan yung sa una, pero medyo, wala naman pong problema yung anak ko. No? Yun yung parang palaging bungad eh. Pero, when you listen to them, deep inside them, and then later on, mag-breakdown na sila sa harapan mo, wala ka nang magagawa. The reason why they do that, it's because they see us as their safe zone. When they believe in us, when they see na, ito yung tao na hindi ako huhusgahan nito. Hindi niya ako titingnan na parang kasalanan ko kung bakit may autism yung anak ko. It's really hard for them to trust anyone. Yun yung natin na marami tayong mga nakikita na mga parents na they're also sharing their experiences. Kasi if they would only understand how hard it is for parents, no, then they would realize